Remember, these are friends of ours. You hang back, I will do the introductions.
Franco, for our friends here.
I'm sorry to say, it's a little, light.
Trouble?
The Guarda has been difficult lately.
Anything we can lend a hand with?
The shortfall is due to a shipment that was taken into the customs warehouse before we got to it.
We have a buyer.
Sure. But do you have a plan?
Need you ask?
You too. With Leo.
No! No!
It's not enough. You wouldn't turn down a kindness, would you?
I am almost a fiend.
Bene. Shall we?